Hi guys, welcome back to another e-learning video. This video will be over graphing one variable inequalities on a graph. So normally you graph a one variable inequality on a number line, but if you do want to graph it on the coordinate system here, the Cartesian coordinate system graph, then this is how you do it. So let's try the first one out here. We have x is greater than or equal to 4. And I'll show you what that looks like. So you're saying that x is greater than 4 or equal to 4. That means you have to go to where x is 4 on the coordinate system. So x is 4 right here on the coordinate system. And then here's all the numbers that would be greater than 4 for x. So x is 4 there, and you have 5 and 6 and etc. So these are all the numbers that are greater than 4. So the way you draw is you draw a vertical line to separate the numbers that are less than 4 and greater than 4 just for x. It's just you're only concerned with x. So you're drawing a line that divides like, hey, these are the numbers that are less than 4, here's greater than 4, and I'm going to draw a solid line on 4 because I actually do want 4 to be counted as an answer because you say greater than or equal to 4, so you do have to count 4, so you draw a solid line. And then here is just another example. Just try a different number here. Let's try 2. You'll notice it moves right over to 2, and all the numbers greater than 2 are colored in. Swap it over to being a different symbol, say less than, and you'll see it goes to the left because it's all the less than numbers for 2, so it has everything that's less than 2 here, and it's a dotted line on 2 because 2 is not an answer. It's only the numbers less than 2. You can't count 2 because 2 is not less than 2. Let's try it with y. What about like y is less than 3? So for y, you're going to go to where y is 3 on the graph. Here is where y is 3. So you draw a line where y is 3. And you have to make sure the line is a dotted line because it's not or equal to. So it's just less than 3. You don't want to count 3. 3 is not less than 3. So you have to draw a dotted line because we're not counting 3 because it's not or equal to. But we do want all the numbers less than 3, so you shade everywhere below. So draw the line that's on 3, make sure it's dotted because it's not or equal to, and then shade below. And then just another random example. Let's try if it was greater than, and try a -2. So you can see it puts a line on -2, and it's a solid line because it's or equal to. You want to count -2 as an answer, so you draw a solid line on -2, and it says it's greater than -2, so all the shading goes above -2.